I want to talk to you about goals. All of us have certain goals in our life. Am I correct? All of us have certain goals in our life. So, can somebody share about your goal? What is your goal? Why do you why do you study engineering, and then why do you undergo these kind of courses and all? What is that you want to achieve? Can somebody answer this question? Then I will talk how the goals are helpful for a business at individual level. Do you think goals are important for individuals like you and me?
Of course, sir.
Yeah, tell me certain goal. Maybe if you ask me, I will say my goal is I want to know, I want to probably uh, maybe buy a big house for my family. That's my goal. Similarly, what is your goal? Come on.
Sir, financial freedom, sir.
Oh, financial freedom. So Balaji says financial freedom. Very good. How about others? Come on, others. What do you want to achieve? What is your goal?
Get qualified.
To be independent.
Very good. So others says you want to be well qualified. So you need a doctorate degree, you need a master's degree, you need an engineering degree. So you are on the right track. Very good. And somebody else, one more was talking. You're saying what?
So to be independent.
To be independent. Independent means you don't want to depend on anybody. Am I right?
Yes,
You
sir.
don't want to depend on anybody. Very good. Beautiful. Now all of you are participating very nicely. See, we all have certain goals. But have you ever watched yourself working towards the goal? I said, I want to buy a big house for my family, maybe with a budget of 2 crores. That's my goal. Am I working towards it? That's one thing. So that is my real attitude. What I really think and what I really do, both should match or not. What I think or what I want to achieve and what I actually do, both should really match. This is called goal alignment. This is called goal alignment. Like how all of us have certain goals and then we take actions to achieve the goal. If the actions what I take are in line with my goal, then I will realize my goal. For example, every month, I run the business and I make, let's say some money, and then, I wait for the 2 crore to accumulate, and finally after 5 years, I will buy my house. Similarly, some of you wanted to be financially free, some of you wanted to be independent, and some of you wanted to, marry a beautiful girl. There are so many things, but do you really take action? Do you really take action and then, you realize the goal, you achieve the goal? That's very important. So for achieving a goal, we must have a strategy. For achieving a goal, we must have a strategy. Like how we have personal goal, organization will have organizational goal. Organizations will have organizational goal. And now at an organization, there will be 3 levels of goal. There will be 3 levels of goal. Why 3 level? In any organization, there will be top level management, there will be middle level management, and there will be down level manager. Am I correct? Top level managers, the chairman, CEO, directors, right? And so on, so people. And then middle level managers, department head, plant heads, so many level. And then down level managers. Now, at each level, they will have goal. At the top level, their goals are called strategic goals. How is it called? The goals of top management are called what? Strategic goals. If you are a part of the top management in a company, you will have a big vision. next 5 years, my company should be known for this particular product. Anybody would like to buy a laptop, my company name should be the first option, right? What is your focus now? Product leadership. Your focus is product leadership, right? So, but can you achieve such goals within a few days, within few months? You need to work consistently for at least 3 to 5 years. Such long-term goals are called strategic goals. Is it strategic goals? Clear to all of you? What is the strategic goals? The goals of the top management, which can be achieved only over 3 to 5 years time and effort put over 3 to 5 years. Such goals are called what? Strategic goals. Is it clear to you? Come on. All of you, do you understand what I am talking?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
But how do the top management will achieve their goals? So what I can achieve in 3 to 5 years, or what I want to achieve in 3 to 5 years, shall I wait for 5 years? No, I should not wait for 5 years. I must start taking action. Every year I must achieve something. Then only I will achieve my 5 years goal. So the 5 years goal is now broken down into 5 annual goals. 5 years goal is now broken down into 5 annual goals. Now the annual goals are called tactical goals. Annual goals are called tactical goals. In order to achieve the annual goals, I appoint some people in the middle level. They are called middle level manager. You know why the company appoints people in the middle level managerial position? Top level managerial position, they are responsible for strategic goals. Middle level managerial position, they are responsible for what? They are responsible for tactical goals. Tactical goals are the goals that can be achieved within 1 year. You can pass all the subjects in your 3rd year. You know what will happen if you pass all the subjects in your 3rd year? After 4 years, you will be given a degree. Am I right? Unless and until you achieve the tactical goals, strategic goal cannot be realized. And now the tactical goal is now further broken down into smaller goals. They are called operational goals. What do you achieve every month? What do you achieve every quarter? Those are called operational goals. Now, tactical goals are derived from strategic goals. Operational goals are derived from tactical goals. Do you find an alignment here? Do you see all of them aligning? All of you, do you understand goal alignment? If goal alignment is there, then any small piece of work that is carried out in your company will help you to achieve the strategic goals. If the goals are not created or aligned in this manner, people will be working in the down level, but at the top level, you will struggle as a leader or entrepreneur to achieve your strategic goals. So the goal alignment is very important in any business. So whether the goals are aligning or not, generally companies try to visualize by creating a matrix. And this matrix is called Hoshin-Kendry-X matrix. This matrix is called Hoshin-Kendry-X matrix. The strategic goals are written here, this year. See here, 3 to 5 years time, strategic goals. And these strategic goals are broken down into annual goals, and responsibility was given to middle level manager. And then annual goals are broken down into maybe quarterly goals. These quarterly goals are nothing but projects. This is where all the people in the down level will be working on. Then for each project, some targets will be set, and for each target, some person will be assigned the responsibility. And the person who are assigned the responsibility, they are all called the managers. they are responsible for attainment of the target. Now, when when the targets for operational goals are achieved, you know what will happen? The target for tactical goals will be achieved. When the target for tactical goals are achieved, target for strategic goals will be achieved. Your company, will be on top of others in the market. If this is called what? Goal alignment. So strategic goals, some strategic goals are written here and some tactical goals are written here.